Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan once again from the IELTS PAL Online. Hope everybody is doing pretty well. So today's my video is all about synonyms and it's all about the vocabularies, because no matter you are about to take the IGCSE examinations, the Cambridge A levels, O levels examinations, Duolingo, IELTS, PTE, or whatsoever the international examinations you are about to take. So these vocabularies and synonyms can be quite crucial for you, no matter in the terms of writing and no matter in the terms of speaking as well. So watch them carefully and try to grab some main ideas. Okay, so let's get started.
English vocabularies: advanced versus basic, kitty corner, diagonal position, genteel, stylish, elegant, upper class, sepulcher, tomb, grave, burial, peculiar, uncommon, unique, defiled, unclean, dirty, impure, utopia, promised land, a good place, notorious, famous for some bad quality, scour, to clear, sallow, pale, yellowish, sickly, fustigate, to criticize, severely, rapscallion, evildoer, gauche, tactless, serendipity, accidental, discovery, encapsulate, summarize, cantankerous, difficult to deal with, doughty, brave, strong,